Hi everybody, David Kino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Monday, December 22nd. So I'm happy to be looking at Tesla today. One thing you'll notice is that Tesla broke to the upside and broke this all-time high that we put in last week. And that was, if I can click here, 495.28. Today's high is 498.83. So it's making progress towards that $500 price level. And I think psychologically you are going to have some resistance when you get to that level. And generally those big round numbers do act as resistance, but I want to emphasize the strength of this daily momentum. So it kind of follows the pattern Tesla does. It moves higher, then it pulls back a little bit, moves higher, pulls back. And here today's surge moved higher and is pulling back again. We're trying to make a little bit of a bounce here through lunch, but starting to encounter some weakness here in the afternoon. So the nice thing is Tesla's up almost 2.5%. The NASDAQ is also positive today, almost 0.4%. So I think if the NASDAQ can generally maintain its overall bullishness, I don't see any signs that Tesla is going to slow down anytime soon. And let me see if I can have a level here that would go to my gravity lines indicator, would be the next target above 500, and that would be 509.45. So once we clear 500, 509 would be the next target to the upside. Okay, great. Thanks a lot, everybody.